An amazing opportunity to study old Dutch artists' archives. I sent a request and got permission to study 18th and 19th century watercolor paintings, and while going to the library I got a glimpse of some art pieces. Look at the details. Wow, magnificent! And here I am, carefully opening one treasure at a time, marveling and pinching myself to be sure that I'm here and actually have this opportunity. Making notes, little drawings, tons of photos, sticking my nose as close as possible to see every detail, every little brushstroke or pencil line I can capture. These artworks are truly inspiring and have such a movement. Look. And here it is. My main reason I came here is this artist and his work, Anton Weiss. This tulip is stunning. Little primroses complement so nicely. This entire composition is a true beauty. Simple and beautiful. I had time, tools, and I did a small study of primrose with graphites. Still pinching myself that I'm drawing in my sketchbook at this study room. Getting inspired from Anton Weiss, I did a graphite tonal value study of this Dutch tulip. From the close-up studies, careful observation, and notes that I took in Rijksmuseum Study Room helped me with my practice. This tulip graphite tutorial is available on my Patreon, where you can follow this tutorial in real time and with my explanations. Patreon is a place where I share real-time watercolor tutorials, and now on Patreon library I have more than 200 tutorials of realistic watercolor painting. You can subscribe, get access, and cancel anytime, still enjoying 30 days of watercolor painting bliss. These pieces inspired me for greater accuracy and mostly of compositions. Look how beautifully they all look. Some flowers are two-in-one composition, or other plant is strikingly beautiful on its own. Many thoughts, references, notes, and ideas are coming home with me. Thank you, Rijksmuseum, for this amazing experience. All went so good. New ideas and tutorials will be made for my students. And thank you, Amsterdam, for welcoming me, my students, and filling my artistic soul with fuel.